That's a video camera?
Yeah, believe it or not.
Christ.
Yeah, they're really small.
I thought you'd be in here with a great big old thing.
Yeah. Okay, just once or twice more there, Sean, on the carb heat. Okay, that's great. And maybe the throttle and mixture, if you'd be so kind. Oh, that's perfect.
What the hell, can you see what you just aim it? And it
You
doesn't
just aim it and you hope for the best. I know, it's ridiculous. Okay. Yeah.
Jack's going to charge you extra for this, you know?
Yeah. Better hide the registration.
Yeah, well, yeah, I don't think you'd want it out there anyway. Somebody would say that fucking thing's legal to fly.
Yeah.
Holy shit. What's going on?
Maybe while I'm here, Sean, why don't you run the prop through too, and then I'll get the
Get her all.
the Governator.
Well, or whatever.
Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. That's great. Thanks, Sean. That's good.